Hey guys, welcome back to GraceTime LI. So today we got Pepper, the pet pig. We got Jax. We got Mommy. And we got Gracie having a bite of the apple. So today guys, we're gonna make Mommy famous. I mean really super famous apple pie. Instead of pumpkin pie, we make apple pie around every Halloween time, guys. So you guys see we have some vampire blood, which the kids might try a little bit. We got some hands. And we got some of the kids' Franken-style brain cut. And that's Grace, a Halloween bag. Grace, are you helping Mommy?
So we're getting the ingredients for this apple pie. We need apples, of course, and these are fresh, organic, hand-picked apples from the milk pail. We go there every year. And choose the apples that taste the most crisp and delicious. We've got some butter. We've got some flour. We've got sugar. An apple core slicer, measuring cup, and then a couple other small ingredients, some brown sugar and vanilla and almond extract. So this apple pie is called a butter crumbled apple pie, and it's going to have a pie crust on the bottom. It's going to have the apples with the filling inside, and then the top is a delicious butter crumble.
All songs yummy for my tummy.
I don't hand make the crust anymore because it's just easier to use a pre-made pie crust and it tastes the same.
Agree.
As long as the apples are fresh and organic for the pie. Got Jax and Grace, who are my little special helpers.
Grace is pretending to eat already. What are you doing, buddy? Hey! Oh, we're gonna have to wash that spoon back. Hey! Ah! We got Jetty Spaghetti over there. Jetty Spaghetti! What are you up to?
We got a nice slicer here. Just slice some of
We
these.
cut a piece of pep.
We definitely can.
Hi, Pep.
Hey, Pepper. Look. Come. You want an apple? An apple? Can you sit for Mama? Sit.
It's like sliding all over the floor.
Pepper loves it.
Is that yummy for your tummy? Hey! Grace is having some butter, I see already.
We'll just cut the end of that one off. Alright, so once we get them sliced, I'm just gonna, if there's any bad spots, I'm just gonna cut them off. And we'll just move them to the side. And I did wash my hands before starting this.
Very good.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make these apples into thin slices, about this thin, and that's going to be the filling for the apple pie.
Alright, if you look right here, guys, we have some of our YouTube milestones keep going up. We still got to update this fridge now. We're higher than that. Not that high. I remember when we first got our 1,000 subscriber, that was August 25th. Even when we had our first 500 subscribers. It's a long journey, guys, and you guys all know that. If you come right here, this one we got our first 100 upload, means 100 video. And then We had our 50,000 views. Got our first 100,000 views. Pepper's still munching on some apples right now. He loves it. Grace is running away with all the spoons. Pepper just loves to hang out wherever there's food, guys. So we still got apples still cutting up right now. A lot of apples.
So we cut up about 5 or 6 apples, depending on the size.
For one pie.
For one pie.
So guys, here are the 5 to 6 apples for one pie. Now that is a rich apple pie. And Jax is back for more. Yay! Yummy for my tummy. Yummy!
Yummy, yummy. Let's taste it.
Hey, stop eating that! Hey! Grace, no mama. So mommy just got her hat, her witch hat. It's pretty cool. They actually have a bird or a crow. There you go. Jax!
Grace, come here.
Alright, so guys, we got Grace here. Whoa, who's sitting over there? And this is the dining room, still in a hot mess. Still got a lot of stuff going down. She's yelling at Pepper. So we're gonna do on our next Halloween video, guys. We're gonna do around the house. We're gonna give a tour and show you guys what we got decorated so far. And you guys are gonna see inside and outside. We did a little bit of decoration outside too. Whoa! Whoa, that's scary. Isn't she scary? Oh man. Gracie! Gracie loves to sit on the table, by the way. What'd she say? Alright guys, so we're not gonna give away too much. We're not gonna give away too much, guys. We got some pretty cool stuff. So in our next video, we're gonna show you guys a lot of cool stuff that we got up right now. Yeah. Pepper loves his snacks.
So this is the filling. It's the apples, and we're gonna put a mixture with some ingredients in there. We're gonna put a half a cup of sugar. So we're gonna take our sugar right up here. We're gonna fill it with my measuring cup. So this is half a cup. All right. So we're gonna pour this in here. We're going to take 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, which is right here. I use King Arthur. There you go. I'm going to dip this in here too. And then we're going to take a teaspoon or a kiss of cinnamon. And I just have to get this cinnamon. 1 teaspoon, not tablespoon. Cinnamon. And now this is all going to get mixed together.
What are you eating? delicious.
Try the apple candy.
Yummy.
Now we're gonna make our topping. Some people usually use a crust as a topping. I don't do that because I like the butter crumb cake. It's like a crumb cake, but it's made out of sugar.
Is it yummy, guys? Apple. Very good.
So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to mix this. Probably add a little brown sugar too. So the whole reason is for everything in here is it's going to all stick to the butter. But you want to stir it so that way you get like little crumbs or butter crumb balls. So the oven I set it to 375 because I like my apple pie to bake slowly.
See here, Mommy has her fresh apple candles when she's baking apples. So everything smells like apple, guys. So later on after the pie is finished, guys, we're gonna try some of this vampire blood. Scary. Now this has been sitting for years, guys. Nobody ever tried it.
Crumble topping, I kind of sift through it to make sure there's no like flour or sugar. Like I can see there's not like a puddle of it. It looks like it's all mixed. And it doesn't really look all that much like crumbs, but once it gets poured onto the top of the pie, it's gonna look really good and it tastes delicious. So my topping is done, my filling is
There you go, guys. The pie just finished. Look at that. Nice, crispy, and a nice golden crust looking. Delicious homemade apple pie, guys.
Alright, so the pies are done. This pie is in a takeaway tin, so that way one of our neighbors is actually coming over tomorrow from a different town because she's requested the apple pie. And then we made the ones that we're going to keep. Obviously, we'll put them in the glass Pyrex plate. And we're going to cut it open so that way you can see the inside of it. But it's delicious. So this and some vanilla ice cream and a glass of milk will make it apple pie a la mode, and that will be even more delicious. So I'm going to get a fork and we'll try it. This piece of grape, piece of pie, and how it tastes. Alright, you want to do some honors too? Thank you guys so much for making butter crumble apple pie with us on GraceTime LI, and please subscribe and come back again for more videos.